What's up, guys? Today, we are doing my slime, and I am making it more stretchy and playing around with it. So I got some lotion to make my slimes more stretchy. So I'm gonna get a little lotion and rub it on this one, and rub it around the slime. It's kind of like slipping out of my hands. Nick, can you give me a napkin? And it's sticking to the napkin. This is a very bad thing.
Do you need help there?
I should have made the slime so sticky. Oh.
You have that paper towel, napkin, whatever it is.
Please don't get slime on my palm.
And
Just don't even use that.
That door open? Huh?
say what?
Are you cold with the door open?
No, it's nice.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, shh.
She doesn't like to get videos. Whenever I try to put her in a video, she's like, I want to be seen. I'm John Cena.
Your YouTube video is still on.
I know. I'm not stupid. I do this all the time.
Oh, Gene.
Alright, dipping this in. My sister said she didn't want the lotion, so she gave it to me.
It's his now.
Yay. Oh, that's for the napkin. Okay, I'm making
Dude,
it.
it's been there since you told me to get it.
I know. I
How'd
just,
you know?
I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, you don't pay attention a lot of times.
I know.
You don't pay attention in class. There you go.
That's not true. I do.
When it's a boring teacher, I don't pay attention.
Oh, my teachers are always boring. They're like,
No, like, when they're, like, slow and they're, like, they have to help you.
yeah.
I'm just sitting there. I pull something out of my folder and just work on it.
When like our classmates, they're like doing some presentations and they can't spell a word, Miss Somebody's always like, what does it mean? And they're like, Beetlejuice.
How does it mean Beetlejuice if you don't know what the word is? Then it's a Beetlejuice. If it means Beetlejuice.
Alright, I think this is stretchy enough time to bring out this guy.
Yeah, the guy's blue.
The other slime was blue too.
Every guy's blue that you make.
Yeah, I like blue. If I get more like glue and stuff.
Jake Paul colors is blue.
No. One of the colors on Jake Paul's merch is pink.
For cancer.
No. He does like swirly shirts.
Yeah.
Don't judge him, or else I'll call you a low gangster. And no one wants to be called that.
You be quiet.
Logan gets wrecked.
I hate Logan. Jake Paul is number one.
I think we all hate Logan after what he's doing this year. He's back to like his 15-year-old haircut.
Oh no. Logan looks like an idiot.
Jake Paul. He's
It's
amazing.
Jake Paul haircut.
Jake Paul's haircut
It's
is
Jake Paul.
amazing.
Jake Paul's Jake Paul. Logan Paul's a Logang. He's an idiot.
Jake Paul's Jake Paulers, and Logan Paul is
Logan Paul.
Logan
Logan Paulers.
No, low gangsters.
So
So low gang Paulers is like Jake Paul and Logan combined. And I went right past the napkin you got me. Alright, I'm coming
He's
back.
dumb.
If I'm done, what's 8 times 8?
8 times 8.
What is
Didn't
it?
you do this yesterday?
What is it? It's 64, bro.
I knew it was. I was like, 40.
Were you about to say 46?
No, I was about to say 64.
Then what? Guys, wasn't he about to say like 40 or something? Because he's like, and I'm like 64. Alright, back to the slime. This is the biggest slime out of my Nickelodeon slime pack yet. And pretty much the
You should mix them together
Why?
to make even bigger slime.
Yeah, but... Whoa. Well, this is stretching so far. Now I'm just going to play around with it.
You just did the outline of the container. I can make a face out of that.
I know. Alright, guys, I made you closer now. And
That was me.
so you can see what we're doing.
Can I play with the other one?
Yeah, sure. Just don't get it on my phone. Anyway, so
Pink glitter.
it's not pink. Silver and purple.
That's silver and purple. This one's pink.
No.
Oh, it's silver and purple.
I just put more silver and purple on this.
You need to add more lotion to this thing.
I'm going to carve out a J. Or, yeah, J. And a P.
JP. For Jake Paul.
And Jane Peroni, which is me.
Dude, you need to add way more lotion to this.
Bro, look how full this is. It can't get, like, any more full because we use a little bit of it.
A little bit? Dude, it's like...
It's
Here.
it's down there. Actually, it's just, like, it went around like that.
See, it looks apart.
Whoa. Nick, look at this. See how far this is going to stretch out.
I'm adding more.
Oh, God. It's gone so far. Yeah, I think it's going to give out soon. Your sister made it stretchy. Okay, it needs a little more lotion. Nick, can you get me 5,000 napkins?
Now I have to say this is stretchy.
That's not really stretchy.
I added more lotion.
You show the camera before I get back. Okay, time's up. Move your butt.
Move your butt.
Here, just move the chair like back so they can see you too. Here, I'll move mine over. Alright, like over here. Then I'll move right here, back. Move them back.
We're good.
Alright, now we're good.
Oh my.
Wife. Alright guys, so while Nick's doing that, I'm gonna play around with the slime a little bit. Oh gosh. My other hand touched the wall. Look how amazing this looks. Here. I'm gonna move them up a little. Okay.
This lotion is really making the slime stretchier.
Let's see who can stretch the farthest. Go. On.
No, wait.
Go.
Like if yours rips, then like that doesn't count.
Mine's not ripping.
Mine's not either.
Yo, look! Yours is kind of ripping.
And mine's longer.
That's because I don't want to hit you in the face.
Hit me in the face, dude.
It's not giving out. That one looks like it's about to give out soon.
It did. It's already given out.
All right, Nick loses.
No, I win. I had the longest.
It doesn't matter. It's whoever gives out first. All right. Now, if it actually gave out, it'd probably go flying across China. Except we're not in China.
If we were in China, it would go to America.
Whatever.
Looks like cream cheese.
It really doesn't. Alright, I'm using this. Okay, come down, come down.
Jay, you should really work with this one. This is really good.
I know. I'm making these more stretchy so I can put them in like my musicals and stuff. Now, I'm carving out an N with my pinky. Oh, that's not really good. Nick, I need that spoon.
Yeah. Gene,
Thanks.
this is so stretchy. I think I had too much lotion.
Doesn't matter. It can stretch out to China.
I think way longer.
Oh. Like that? No. This? No. I need more lotion.
Oh, this. Yes.
Come on, more lotion. Ooh, I see lots of lotion.
I might as well take a bath in lotion.
Oh my gosh.
Jay, my God, this is so like.
We need napkins. Oh wait.
No, we don't.
Boom, magic. Whoa.
I know, Jaden. Like,
This is probably about the stretchiest slime I've ever seen. And it's the most... Gosh. I'm going to make it more
like a
stretchy.
Goomba cyst.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to go wash my hands. Are you kidding me?
But that's not good slime.
Then why were you laughing?
But it's funny.
Look. Life. It's bad.
It's clear slime.
Oh, it's not clear. Don't kiss it. I'll be right back.
Can I play with your slime? To make it more like
No, don't.
mine.
No. No, Nick, don't.
Yours is barely like mine.
Remember, I'm watching. Alright, I rinsed them off.
Are you done?
Nick! You have to be kidding me.
Are you done with the video?
It got stuck? It got stuck.
I don't have that.
Come on,
Pause it
Nick.
right now.
Come on, Nick. Alright, I'm here with my friend's sister, and we found some more glue because this ran out from the Nickelodeon stuff. So we got the slime activator
glue bottle?
and
The other one?
the glue.
Can I see the other bottle?
It's dead. Like it's gone.
There's a few left. I think we should add like more activator.
Let's just make lots of slimes.
I will. Me and Jaden can make one out of these.
Alright, I'm gonna make one after Ava.
Hey, Jaden, we can put them in.
Jaden, do you want the
we
rest
can
of
put
this
one
glitter?
there.
What?
Do you want the rest of this? Sure. Okay.
Jaden,
What?
we can make a big slime.
No, because I want multiple ones.
Yeah, that you can put in there. One big one, and then.
No, but that's just two.
Okay.
No, but then you
I
can take it
added
out
my
after that.
glue and
Alright.
glitter.
Alright, here.
What? I'm not going.
Now all you have to do is put it.
Now I'm adding it.
I don't know why Nickelodeon just gave us blue. Like, Nickelodeon, as you can see, it's green. So,
Yeah, but that's our slime from this year. The Nickelodeon slime.
Nickelodeon sign. Yes.
Yeah, since
Sure.
that's been
Don't
since
touch this.
something
Do you
17.
guys need the spoon?
no,
Yes.
I'm gonna mix it a little for you.
Okay. Yeah, let me add this.
Alright, slime activator. Do you want it just white?
Yeah, just mix it. Don't do it.
Alright.
You want the vacuum?
Whoa. Guys, look how amazing this looks.
Jaden,
Like,
can I mix slime now when
On.
she's done?
Here, I got it, Jaden.
whoa. Hold on, I'm showing the camera.
Oh my.
No, Ava.
Yep. Yeah, Jaden, you're right.
Alright. Yeah. We only have like 1,000 views. Nice. We have like probably 1,200 views.
Dude.
I can show you on my tablet. I have the subscriber count and the view count. Can you move over, like, please?
Sure.
Thanks.
I
So-
want it forward.
I'm off the edge.
Okay, you know what?
Okay.
have to end the video here. I'll upload part 2. Peace.